Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm gonna make a Valentine's card like just this, a Valentine's card. Now, let's draw a whale. Like this, guys. Then we're gonna add some adjustments like water. Then we're gonna add a heart to his body. First, we need a marker. Then close the marker. And then we're gonna hit. Then we're gonna add the heart to his belly and close it. Then we're gonna add another whale to his friend. Paaks ako guys ha. Agay. Na, magsulat na ko. Nay! Panay please. Okay, Dion, the big body. And a mata. Then a heart. Then close the marker and red heart. Then close the red heart. Then the color the whale. Then close the marker and adjust it. Put the yellow. Then close it. Then marker. Then, pasag ng marker knife, please. Kuan. Pasag ng. Then, like this, guys. Then, gonna adjust brown fish. A brown fish. Okay, guys. I'm just joking, guys. A heart. A heart. Then another one. Then close it. Dion. The red marker. Then, here it is, guys.